My name is Riyanshka. I am studying UKG. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Gujarat, Gandhara, Goa, Panaji, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Simla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Manipur, Uttar Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Bombay, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Kerala, West Bengal, Kolkata. Thank you.